Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you the capgun gun. Well, here's the cartridges it uses. It's a small 22 shell that's been drilled out and uses a cap as a primer. It'll be shot using a cap gun with the aluminum barrel attached to it. So the ram on here just strikes with the back of the cap, and that sets off the powder that's inside. I already have one loaded into here, and yeah, it fell out, so I'll put it back in. Sorry about that. This is taking forever. I'm terribly sorry about this, guys. Okay, so I got it back in, as you can see. It took forever. So then I'd just put that in there, and then I'd pull the trigger to shoot it. I'll just get my safety glasses on first. And there you go. It shoots with over 300 psi. The 22 shell was filled up with a high explosive used in model rocket engines for the fuel. Thank you. Have a good day.